On behalf of all faculty members, staff and students of MIT University, Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior and MIT University, Maharashtra, Mumbai, I wish our Honorable Most Revered Founder President Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan a very, very happy birthday and a very happy Founders Day to all MITians of both the universities. As far as MIT University Mumbai is concerned, it is now a very recognized and famous university of Maharashtra, and maximum students are seeking admission in our university. Our research, innovations are doing very well. The number of patents filed in both the universities are increasing day by day. Publications are world class, which are doing an extremely good job, and all our faculty members and students are determined to take this to the next level. So, I have got no doubt in my mind that MIT University Maharashtra will find a place amongst the top 100 universities of the country within next 1 to 2 years. With your blessings and guidance, and under the able leadership of our own Dr. Aseem Chauhan ji, both the universities will become flagship universities of MIT Education Group. I wish Sangathan this year all the very best, and once again a very happy birthday to our Honorable Founder President, sir. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Greetings to Honorable Founder President, sir. I, Dr. Srikant Sarhate, Officiating Dean Academics, Amity University, Mumbai. I am obliged to be here. Sir, under your and CSIC sir's guidance, academics and innovation at Amity University, Mumbai has flourished and is continuously blooming with high publications, research projects and patents. Sir, we are exploring new avenues of research to help common people in the society by way of innovation and also through outreach programs. Sir, your vision of making India a superpower in education by 2030 has become a dream of all our students and innovators. So you are the inspiration and steering force for all of us around all campuses. You are believed that dreams are given to us for a reason, and they will not be accomplished until we work towards it. That's our motto. Most respected Founder President, sir, today is a special occasion for all of us. On behalf of my colleagues at Amity University, Mumbai, we wish you a very happy birthday. May you continue to shower your blessings on us for years and years to come.
Warmest birthday wishes to our Honorable Founder President, sir. Thank you for leading us through this challenging time with unwavering vision and strong resolve. Wishing you a long life with success and health.
Researchers seeing what everybody has seen and thinking what nobody has thought. On behalf of all the faculties and students of Amity School of Communication, I, Dr. Hima John, officiating Head of Institution, Amity School of Communication and Amity Film School, Amity University, Maharashtra, Mumbai, would like to wish our founder, President, Dr. Ashok Chauhan, a very happy birthday. Sir, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for all the timely appreciations and acknowledgement from your good office. Your support has constantly motivated us every step of the way, and we all would like to thank you for taking such good care of us during these trying times, and wishing you a very joyful, peaceful and long life.
Greetings from Center of Excellence in Astrobiology at Amity University, Mumbai. I am Dr. Siddharth Pandey and I have some of my team members.
Hello, my name is Shreya Fernandez. I am a Junior Research Fellow.
Hello, I am Abigail Fernandez and I am a Project Fellow.
So we currently have two projects going on. One is our first space biology experiment as part of Project ISRO. So our team is developing both the experiments. And the second one is Project Mars Amity Research Station, wherein we are establishing a station in Ladakh, and we are also developing a rover as well as other science experiments to do astrobiology work. And we are very grateful for all the support and guidance that we are receiving from Honorable Founder President Sir's office, and all the guidance and the vision to move forward. We would like to take this opportunity to wish you a very, very happy birthday and a long life ahead, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.
Dear Founder President, Namaste sir. My name is Satish Abhimannan, Professor and Deputy Director, ASAC Mumbai. First of all, I feel very happy to be part of this Amity family. You are inspiring lakhs and lakhs of young minds, and I am also one among them. On this auspicious day, I feel very happy to say birthday wishes to you, sir. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. I hope the coming years brings more happiness, prosperity, and the Almighty will give you more healthy and long life. To fulfill your dreams, and the Amity should achieve the high rank in the research. Our faculty and research scholars are sincerely working on data science and cybersecurity related projects. So in the coming year, we will publish more research article and file good number of patents. Thank you, sir.
Affectionate greetings to everyone. I, Kiran Chandani, second year BTech CSC student at Amity University, Mumbai. I'm glad to convey my joyful, warmest wishes to our Honorable Founder President Sir Dr. Ashok Chauhan on the occasion of his birthday. We, students at Amity, express our gratitude to be a part of Amity family. I personally want to thank Amity to introduce me to a golden chance to be a finalist of Talkathon 2021, which is soon going to convert into a startup idea. Overall, his vision of seeing his students' journey turning into a success story is on its way to become literal. Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you with all the love, care and good health.
Good afternoon, sir. On a very special day of our respected Founder President Sir's birthday, let me take a pledge. I, Dr. Bhavna Sharma, Officiating Director, Amity Business School, Amity University, Maharashtra, along with my faculty members and staff, will strive hard to carry forward the legacy you have given to us. Sir, we will work to make your dreams and commitment a reality at Amity University, Maharashtra. We will ensure that each one of our students will be a success story. With this, I would like to wish our founder, sir, whose charisma has inspired us always. We wish you a very happy birthday, sir.